Revolutionary 1063 model with cheaper, easy handling of large volumes of wood with a hydraulic system for accelerated feeding up to 6,000 kilograms per hour. The innovative 360-degree injection design enables loading over 3 meters. Forestry operations thus change the chipper-equipped hydraulic force feeding system. When feeding, the press roller is driven by a hydraulic motor to force the wood into the crushing chamber. The cutting rotor with 6 blades and diameter is 630 millimeters, which can help handle big woods easily. We use SKF bearings, durable and stable. Trusted by more than 60 countries around the world. ISO CE double certification, your wood recycling leader.